Hola pescaditos, and guess what? We're back doing state park sins. We're out here, Vogel State Park? Vogel? Vogel? I'm not 100% sure. I've been calling it Vogel, but either way, I'm starting a little trip. I'm trying to hit 4 or 5 parks over this week, and this is the first one. It's actually the first trip that I've caught fish in the Bonafide, and it's a good feeling to break that in. This is just a beautiful lake, beautiful park, smack dab in the middle of the mountains. I mean, just the scenery's phenomenal, and I'm excited. We're starting this little send here, and you know, we're gonna try a couple other parks, establish a little base camp at Black Rock Mountain, and branch out each day and try and hit a new park. So stick around, stay tuned, and you know, hopefully we'll knock a few more off of our list. That one was on earlier. What in the world? There are fish right in here, because that's the second thing I've seen at the top of the water. They might not be big, but there are in fact fish. Under that shade line is where they're at, and you got to be able to cast it. There you go, under the shade line. Let's see if that's what does the trick or not. Thought something bumped it. Of course. Not where we want it to be. Unfortunately, we're probably... There we go, okay. Let's see if we can get this guy back down in that zone. Because he's getting bit. Just gotta give him a second to eat it, I guess. Okay. I think that might be it right there. Come on, I need that same one to nibble on it a little bit. Just nibble on it a little bit. There it is again. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Come here. We gotta land him. Come here. Oh, just barely got him. Just barely. I knew there was a little fella in there. Couldn't even feel him on the shaky head once I caught him. Just a little fella. We'll take him though. Oh, we're gonna get him back in the water. I do want to try and film a release, just because we may not see another one. What I usually did was I put my foot where I want them, and I grab both sides of the seat and then just stand up from there.
It's a little hard for me to get that. It's still a little low, you know, but that's just matter. And I don't want to really kind of do too much with all the stuff on you.
Little one. Stay down. We need a second one to make sure that it counts. Look at that. They're pretty fish though. All right, come here. Oh yeah, you wanted that one pretty bad. Okay, stop with the shaking and moving and grooving. Let me, trying to get you by your lip. There we go. That one's down there. Oh yeah. Oh, you're fine. He's good. He'll shake that off. Really pretty lateral lines on these fish. I think that's a little more common in this clear water with the grass and such, but we're gonna let him back out. Get him back in the water since he's bleeding a little bit. Come on, buddy. He's floating. See if we can't help him out some. Well, another fish might get a quick snack on him. He didn't look like he was doing so hot. Got one. Another one. They sure aren't big, I'll tell you that much. Ugh. Aren't big, and they're going for it. Had something go for it. One of the claws is ripped off. It's always a good sign, unless I did that when I... Well, fourth one, but oh, there he goes. Calm down. Hold on. Okay. All right. I got you. Yep. Feisty. Feisty little guy. But can't get anything any size. Number 4, though. That might be the smallest one. See ya. Little update for you. I confirmed in the visitor center that it is Vogel State Park. Anyways, can't say I'm dissatisfied with this first little portion of the trip. You know, knocked out a few dinks, and hopefully we can, you know, at this point the fish can only get bigger. So there's that. So anyways, appreciate you hanging out with me. This has been Caleb with Certified Dinks. We'll catch you on the next one.